This is Candace here, and welcome to the series Cooking with me, Candace. So, I am going to make corn chowder, vegan style. I was watching another YouTuber named Be For Real, and she made it, and I was like, and it looks so good, so yummy. So I was like, I'm gonna make it. So I'm gonna make it right here in my pressure cooker. Let me let you guys see. I'm gonna make it right here in my pressure cooker. I'm gonna go right here to soup. Oh, it's not plugged in. Duh. Plug it in, guys. Plug it in, Candace. That's the only way it's gonna work. Plug it in. Then it's on soup. So I've already put my let me put you guys down. I already put that glare. There's a light right here. So it's a bit of a glare. I already put my, remember I told you about this from the Dollar Tree? Yeah. So I already put that in there. This is my extra virgin olive oil. I have my veggies here. Do you hear it? It's heating up. So I have my garlic, I have my onions, and I have my celery. So I'm just gonna throw it right here into the pot. And put the onions and the garlic first. I think that's what she did. I'm just gonna throw it all, to be honest. I'm just gonna throw it all in there. Throw it all in. Throw it in the bag. Then I have my little wooden spoon. Gonna take it. Gonna give it a stir. Let me show you guys how that looks. How that's looking. Yum. That looks good, right? So as it gets softer, do y'all hear it? So the tea is, I don't know where any of my tripods are. I don't know where the holders are. I really don't know where anything is. This smells so good. This smells so good. So, I'm gonna throw in my potatoes. No, I'm gonna throw in my carrots first. I frozen carrots, so forgot to buy a carrot at the supermarket. Like a block of rice. Maybe I should have thrown it out. This is a one pot dish. Like, what am I waiting for? Let me just throw it all in. I'm gonna throw in my potatoes. I'm going to throw in my corn. Let me turn you here. Y'all don't want to look at me, right? You want to look at the food. So I have 2 bags of corn here. I'm wondering if that's enough. I think 1 bag is enough. Because I have the carrots in here. It's a carrot and then throw out yet. Have my potatoes. I'm going to add in my vegetable broth. Can you see that? No, I'm shooting a video. I can't talk right now.
Oh. Tell the viewers I said hi.
So the corn is thawing out. I'm sure I was supposed to. I had this out for a minute and it still didn't. Like, this is the cream de coco. Oh, it's frozen. I'm wondering, did I get the right time? Maybe I should have got coconut milk. So this has a coconut flavor. Maybe I should have used. Oh, but I think they did use cream of cocoa, I think. It's my labels all upstairs for a reason. Yeah, I'm only gonna use one thing of coconut. I would think that I would use cream de cocoa. Okay, so once the corn thawed, the pot went down and everything. So I think I'll put the other bag in. So I already opened it and I cut it open and stuff. Yeah, once the carrots went down. Yep. So the pressure cooker is still going. It didn't fill up with steam yet. Once I put that little beep, then it'll be ready. See if it tastes like coconut. Yes, it tastes like coconut. That's not the brand Beef-A-Rel used though. I'm going to use some Better Than bouillon instead of a bouillon cube that's vegetable base. It's a seasoned vegetable base. If y'all only knew how good this smells. So I don't have any flour, but I do have these oyster crackers I'm gonna eat with it. So I'm not, even though I don't eat dairy, I don't eat meat, I'm not one of those people who, you know, make a big fuss over things. Like these oyster crackers, these soup oyster crackers, it doesn't contain any milk or meat, right? It contains wheat, but it says that it does contain, it says that it's produced in a faculty that uses milk and eggs, but it's not in the crackers. So let me see if I can get, being that I added the vegetable broth, I'm gonna see if it got rid of the taste. Let me see. It tastes good to me. I'm starving. This doesn't look like cream de cocoa. This looks like just a vegetable soup. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some almond milk. Maybe that'll help. My favorite almond milk in the world. It's unsweetened and everything. Pour that in there. It's like a cup. Look at me just winging it. Just winging it and not using any type of measuring spoon or measuring cup or anything like that.
You know the Baba? You know what Baba is?
I need everyone to go upstairs.
Papa told us to get the oven. I can use the bottle.
I need you to be quiet. Because your brother just told you. Stop talking. Because you're being rude. Upstairs. You think you're going to cry on my video? Upstairs. And nobody did nothing to you. So all of that, excuse me guys, I don't know how much clearer I could say stay upstairs, don't come downstairs. You know, YouTube is making these changes with the kids can't be in the video. And if they are, I'm not monetized anyway, but I just don't want them to have a reason or them to do anything. So I just rather the kids. This is not a kids channel. Yes, they'll appear sometimes, but there's no reason for them to be here now. Get on my trash. Well, adding the almond milk, it kind of took the coconutty flavor away. Let's see. Yeah. It took it away. So if you have a coconut flavor, just add milk and vegetable broth. Being that I don't have any flour, the soup is not going to be that thick. Yeah, some more of this for flavor. This is the vegetable broth. Guys, I'm just winging it. This is not how Beef Pharrell did it. She was all precise, all nice, all neat. I was going to throw some jalapenos in there, but my kids, they complain about everything, every little bit of spice. Oh, it's spicy. Oh, it's spicy. Oh, it's spicy. Oh, it's spicy. This is just black. Sorry, this is just black pepper. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you what it's looking like. Y'all can see it from there anyway. But up close and personal. So I'm gonna wait until that says 10. Because it's still heating up and warming up in the steam. No, you know what? What I'm gonna do, because I'm starving like Marvin, I'm gonna put the cap on this thing. So y'all know about the pressure cooker side. Make sure the steam is gonna be inside. Make sure it's locked. That it is. And that is heating up and everything. So I will get back to y'all when it's done.